Hello everyone, in today's session we are going to learn about how to exploit VNC open port. VNC, Virtual Network Computing, is a remote desktop protocol that allows users to access and control a computer from a different location over a network connection. The VNC server runs on the remote computer you want to access, while the VNC client is installed on your local machine. These components work together to facilitate the exchange of information between the two systems. Here we are going to exploit VNC port in the Metasploitable 2 machine. Before beginning the exploitation, we have to make sure the vulnerable machine is live. By pinging to the machine, I understand the machine is up. Now it is time for Nmap tool. You figure out which all ports are open. I am using full open scan and version scan together using Nmap. We can see here the VNC port is open. That is port number 5900. Now it is time for Metasploitable framework to figure out any vulnerability exist in VNS. Let's search for VNC related exploits. Here we found a lot of findings on VNC exploits. Let's focus on VNC login. Here we have an option related to the VNC login. Let's use that. Now let's set what all options is necessary. Like we have done before, RHOST is the victim IP address. We have set all necessary values. We are going to figure out what is the password of VNC login. By default, there is a where list already exists in this configuration. So I am not adding any more word list. Now let's exploit. We can see the password is found. That is password itself. Now the important point is log into this VNC using this password. To log into the VNC, we use VNC viewer. And the password is password. And finally we connect with the machine using VNC. We can do anything on the victim machine. Here I am creating some files and in the victim machine and I am removing it. These vulnerabilities exist here because of default credentials, open ports, lack of encryption. Once this issue is being resolved, VNC will be safe. You can try creating, deleting and manipulating existing files in the machine.